me senior there. Ye na free bia baako.
Say we dey well unu no.
Aha, me free half no Southeast BM so number 1.
Unu ya.
Aha, nti ye na free. Nti we dey half no for na share oha na. Ye di Ghana ne Asantman ho nkomo. Na ohwe nipa dasani se nipa ya wo no from awusu ye wo na de ne to ho ade ne ba nyina ye nka hwe nkyere no kra no human beings are inherently corrupt.
Right.
Bonene ashayama. Enti emra enhihye enema nipa yehu the better side of man. Senka wu jai nipa saa sa won fa mra ngu kwan mu na nipa obi anye de opa nke enem sebi. Yenem mo difference bi enim. Ka de omo ho odin no ebe den. Ebe chi omo ni ahoden na re.
Right.
Enu nti na Ghana ya hihye mra. Enu nti na yesi ebeye democracy ebeye kabima minka biamemo no 1992 ye kwotena ase na ye gitu mu se 1992 ne na ye hihye mra ye friend constitution. Into constitution article 21 clause 1 clause 1A no my kire say Ghana ni bia ya wo na ye Ghana ni bia no o freedom of speech. O say utimi kasa nanso ye hunu say o akwanya say utimi kasa na o ka de o akoma so na so utimi ka de ebepie free wa adwene mu no enye absolute enye say o kan ya no afa ho di. It has to be measured. Initiate o memu ni enyina akogye atum si ahyehye mra se ma bobin kasa ema o man nkoso ne ya ema o man nkoso no ya mambra ni tia na se obi ko busa mra no so a eye den na wo ye MPP ni o ye hwan umuni a otikokum yengi na ne akogye atum se ye de 1992 mra yi ebe ye adwuma ensi wa kra no oba 2008 under the leadership of President Kufuor. Yekoye Electronic Communication Act 2008 Act 775. Oba section 73 na o maye hunu se o fa kwan bonne so anase o fa koti kwan so e transmit false news. Asema wo kan wa nim se tropa na wucha. Asema wo kan wa nim se eninyina so bia na wo kan sa normal ni nyina tia Ghana mra. Ya ye de aka ho se ne be ya ye man ne ye kikire no ye betimi akoye nim. Nanso enei aye wo sa mra we ya ye nyina nim se sa de we yenye. Sisi e betena ha se na wo kan this is a big platform. Obi obenya akwanya bia person oba betena na odi nkomo.
Yeah.
Ada ne ba ha mo ma ye kwan se nka ye freedom of speech kan betena he me be se me di atempa. Ana me ma me bi ye ma de otrotro mu a me fae. Kan ho ye ma hige se nka metim betena kai se nka me keka ma adwene kire no. Ada na wo ma me kwan.
Se bi ni se me so rafa no.
Ada nti na so na no.
Ene se no me hwa na kokko aba no.
Ada na wo so na no.
O ma mo de yam crop for river for you. Too much o.
Senka or on the right.
Yeah, but then you know bit. Yeah, sure.
Oh, and this will be ya de enye. Obi ka sama enye. Yes sir, we chin ye yini panisi ho. Ni analyze ye interrogate ya some no kind no. Ni enya say ya na ya she ni panel political colors. Then no actually say the wunya party card and I say wunya share party JC and say you are immune. They say the Ghana mra no so sene no Ghana no so sene no nti wunya yes o ye MPP ni nko ade a wo ye nipa se no obi ade open na wo ye. Enye sa na ye chichiro man.
Right.
Enye sa na ye chichiro man o baby a. Ye hwe wo ye so no obi ko chiro say Dumso is back. Eno ya asembe ye ka se Dumso asaba e de na nipa no opa kire opa je se yenkane no ebedum ana yenkane na duma yize wunya bi mfa nya adwuma enti de ono ye coastal de ono ye baba de ono na adwuma no o de light na ye no na okoka sa asemo ya e de na opa kire nya ayem hihye no agya nipa and there say na o kan se ko chro no nko akeke kura se ne kan ye dum no chro se Dumso is back see ehun videos a emra ye dum light aboso obi akofa ne ne voters ID card no opepa so
yeah
and no be che no but o ye no the mampanyin picture na ato ho na say o in the way o ka kire say mampanyin say Dumso is back mampanyin mom so ne ato aba ma ne so o me enka ne anyina so na say mampanyin mom be ka kire yen say this say Dumso aba na say ya e be hia light there adwuma ne ye fa hin it will be ya dia on ye fa sam no ne interrogate ne nya say ye the party atade be hye nipa no na say bi bia e say defend
Antika wo hwe ne senku betumi atro ne saa keke.
O tro ne saa keke se ne light adum. And what you say, Kanya Doomsday is back. And no obey.
But the mampeni for
you
as a mampeni neck.
Mampeni neka, and to be overhead in the Biabe who is Mampeni si Doomsday about. Some of Paja Mampeni si Doomsday about there. Wow, here light there, which man, then I obey. There is I don't know. I Joe, essay is a windy generator, windy plant. Oh, yeah, Nina, the I am she. Ghana Mrasuti, I saw Bami Yamashi Okuma. And I got a rent. I can't even pay you.
But when you cannot do
Ralph Manenka.
What do you want to defend what?
Oh, ye Dima Kasa.
Also, no, Madumu and that's all about Bukunisho. Today, I'm not sure.
Almost in the Yanomum pay interruptions. It's with the money flow. But, Mampenin Fonina, you should be a kabibi. And your first time, money. In fact, another. Pictures baby used to even Galamsey in semi people have been using even some of the media platforms be used to can say Galamsey is getting worse now we was a mampeni info you be the honey ade yeah who be in time past what some of us we believe in say a bear on a very soft ground say obeka say info you da ho ntino e che say mampeni is speaking and even with that no the minister himself, can say betiki about the year and over before says akania ye dum na yaso. Because dum so no, let's not take the word in isolation. E kania ye dum no, ni aso ebrimu. And the minister has told us ye be dum no aso because ye transformer replacement and there are places where say dum because so MD of ECG and so aka say e be dum na aso because maintenance no maybe ye dey e koso. So as for the where doom so say abano de obi o Ghana he bia yedum nika ne ya wo hunu me the problem I had was not the picture nor the writing e wo no but the caption or the man on one post no as to say we hu ade no wo chapel square no and I say obi ko duru ho na anywhere it's more or less like who deceive public no anywhere and secondly uduru akokwa uduru anywhere and secondly say e wo ho nso a then they have to chase the one who placed that billboard. No? Say, we're meeting all the required regulations and sana o putunuana. This almost etimia corner be a say state institutions now follow up. No mko say deception. When you are invited, I mean, I don't have a problem. But this particular post, I think, Doc, it will be a very soft ground.
Sir, the Criminal Offence Act, in 1960, Act 29, Section 208. Kanama is a false publication and misleading. Send a bia waka say wa post the nature say na be kokra de ni so na say ntro na wuki and not mislead the public na at the end no target ne say o cause fear and panic. And you know o cause fear and panic no me make say this all the second to be minimum e twa na say buku haram nkwan hunu say o cause fear and panic ade bia wo be ya e be cause fear and panic bia no the law is against it.
Right.
And me the person people ni obi bia wo tie ase ne say mra no anase bone ye bone se nra ne siye en obi anka ho asema no nkire se ene na qualify sa be ya adepa.
Right.
Bone ye bone. And at Mahama, in His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, the campaign message, I did kan ya magana for nya ni mu ahotoso, no mu nya ni mu gidi om to man ye the resetting agenda.
Right.
Yes, bibia enye bia na ye betenetene no. Enti bibia enye bia na ye tenetene ye de na ye de mra.
Okay.
Enti Ghana mra na ya hye we enye mra ye ba ye na MDC ba ye no akọ na yakọfa party constitution. Ene ye de aba na ye di bu oman no.
E wo hodada.
We ye mra na ye implement.
Na si ni emfanya adwuma
na. Ye fanya adwuma, wo so emfanya adwuma. Ye ya ba ye de ye adwuma wo si buyi. We say buy 16 months in the chini per 16. Say ni per 16 wo kan no 2 man ke che no. Wo aketesi afi na bre wo shase. Unya hunu bra no sa ko de be say mabomu 60. Dia kan unya momu hwe. O sorry afa phone wetimi ato data. Wo dia be gina aka chon say obi nku president man. Ni afa na light so oh your ba anti. Hey, now even in the developed countries, Donald Trump buy the convoy HM. The convoy HM. And oba or using the middle finger. The lady lost her job. And no America, Kagana and Kasam and Karafa better TNTM. Boy,
middle finger interesting.
odi na tem ene ya kasa mintimi nka no ha say convoy ni twam to say yes and president ka twam no obi akogina nche adi na tem and no kra no na dwuma mi yi na di 2017 Luke Angel, a British citizen, and number what was wakori bi akono numbi and no fan ne laptop or testing you use abusive words against President Obama. You banned no permanently. Say man in America bi. Say go no get freedom of speech. One crowd on sign American. Go no to Britain or tron one day. Gana na adena e hode ana omo no omo kra na de yin meka say the apex of democracy no ohun normal wo beka wo hase wo beka say trivia e normal ye mfanya asem no he obi ko issue the middle finger keke ye na djuma abo no obi ko send a message ya abandon say man in sikromo bi and what shall I say the security and the
rule of law,
the unity of Ghana and the peace near harmony. Untimi fa niagro yentimi fa two people so yentimi fa niagro fa mankura mo chaskele enka say oh enra we mo ye ene ya anyo mo hwe dabi enra wo anye dia the reset agenda na ya ba no obia no minwa penity ase awonim from epona no kosi soro ye community bia no ye tribe ekuo bia busu ekuo bia no a omoja atimdidie atum ekuo bia no a wo de panyina ni metwitwi fom dabi matrata male for some years obechia panyini kura na okoto wo nyina ho enchia opanyini okoto no wachia no na ede ne siye na de na bae na suko no manya kwanya enya akonya kakra bia ode be na me de na akokwa de me ye nyina so ye ehiafo me ya ehiafo me ya na di sa adwuma no won wisike ni bia na odefo bi ba sa no ma we nyina ya omodo mo jimda ehiafo me ye no e ba ye de 10 million 2 3 so e na wo bobenen as ya nwini ya huna no ma ensene fata ho a rafuti e wo kase pa wo de won ka onya ye won ka no kro no onyima no so obe pese ne ba ana ne no fase bi ene ye ne ne su e beti say abronye wo ye the party ni o wa rise crowd bedru bono regional chairman and so ne ye no obe pese ne ba bi ene ne ebe kasasa ebe ye ne ho sa dabi because serve as a good role model. As on political career and why rise power nyemi tipen no me men baby a as me hwese me mabese no adentre so baby a woda ne di enye eti aden na obi ya de na nya o me enyi ni panisi ho na interrogate the issue na de bia pese ye political plot na fe de because we share political identity no enya immunity eno ano no abeka isamejanfi samejanfi mokoto kumuna na adoman enwom no hwam na lanche eya no mre fi so mo na de bae o a mo ga se kum no mahama man kum mahama man na wo ye beto wo nwom a utwa man ye to bi ma de a umuni a utikokum ye wo kroma sei eya no man ye te say NDC kra ye bae ya first time a ye chichi ye use law ni bongo ideas cultural normal nensenen fatafa president yere ho one de yanche no wo yirai
wo yirai sei
wo yirai ye hwehwe nkra ni hu no so by the by police for crying go find the picture about to the bush for no mahu no bongo ideas ni hu no ni enu kroma apia stadium ko ka se mampanyin anom ayi enoma bi e by ye man so pick up to near the two year from Kumasi to Nkran enoma esi swame youth organizer so okay akokwa nsema okwa kan ani ehunu say threaten the peace and the security of the nation prior to in 2024 election yeah any day ya anche no so utuom branch organizer kanewu akwa kan nsema na ye jailing 4 years but be an sane captain's man o ball list na o ka 16 pe o ball list na esiya my vi cry na next ameswanli ne sam chura adwuma ho ana oyenti se so akoyi ni picture ema nipa bonfo kra ko bonu tuokun no eno ne anka ai manasa zuri die na mani dwane fi o man na mai mojo mo man ne yete sase mo ba ya munya akonya na Ghana ye heaven mo kura de na mo mfa mra na nya manipa no kura nya mo ehunahuna ne ye fa nipa ne ato na hye yi mu te se na no de wo ye be cho kura de V8 na bae wo tiri kura na ye what the bonnet they make what the bonnet ne ye be cho and ye di V8 kura na bae
whatever the mode is eno hu hia arrest no and e can no to asuma
But the man in the run a miracle nsem a ye ka.
Oh, na the media
2020 so medical pickle first. Yo time o ke kan who defending and you know be a condemn.
Catch and say you know say and you are hiding for
I'm telling you appointment be now be.
Oh, say
national security.
I'm the only thing about power are running conconso. Yet to grow
but in fact the examples I was citing there are a lot of them because I didn't want to come in because he's here, including journalists. Some of them made comments, and I'm not anymore. As a main heckle, because
you are becoming part of the problem.
No, I'm not part of the problem.
Let me be honest with you. You are becoming. Sometimes you see, you're one of the finest guys I love too much.
Yeah,
but don't be part of the current problem.
That has been my principle. That has been my principle.
No, so the okay was saying it didn't know.
Oh yeah.
It is worse today.
Wait.
It is worse today.
Wait. Adia buy one a year, no, a ya nenye. Me pesa me bo a was me nyai bono. Me pesa me bo ba catch him say we die enye fese me bono kase video. So it means say enye. And he said ya wo can say adia enye nra no enye ne. Omo yes ade no a ye chi wo mo apenso na enya de papa. So I don't encourage people to do the same thing today. I've repeated the kind of true. I won't support obi obeye bibia e di heyo anase ebeye bad model ama wobi e wukrumu a George Opoku Amponsa eye MPP ni minimum so a senior man kra maybe more than you George or yes or a senior man more than you Jeff Mr. Fan the screen na yin to mama.
But you see,
no, wait. No, when you say something, no, you've drawn your opinion about me. No. I want to prove to you, say George Opoku, who is most senior, most within your party. Okay, let me say he's a senior brother in your party with you. Share the same opinion with me that we can't allow such impunity to continue.
I will go on the seat. I want to see. On the seat, I want to see. Don't be complicit to the problem.
No, we are solving the problem.
Don't support. No, Raf. And the car.
The question is why
assuming the mode of arrest Christ even wrong.
No, day.
Let's assume so I bonny.
You see,
let's assume
when we play everything into political gallery,
it's politics.
We have a problem. George Opoku Amponsa, I want you to read. Or say that idiot of a chairman.
That is not fair. George is not being fair to us.
Wait, my man. Or say that idiot of a chairman must stop ridiculing our great party in the name of free speech. In opposition, we should be seen as credible party that offers policy alternatives and not blind solidarity to an unrepentant chairman in the name of mere partisan politics. It is getting sickening, and he must be told anyway by some of us. Adding enough of the incrassism.
Unfortunately, I don't know why
this was when Abronya.
I don't think so. I'll refer to Abronya.
No,
and I would disagree with you.
This was when he has even spoke on OTEC. Go and listen. Also, NDC was tradition. MPP was tradition. MPP believe in policies. Now, omo tradition ni say we bu micro no mpese omo eka ho asema they have intelligent opinions. Omo de ba say ade we yenye ni say na but that's what they talking about, policy alternatives. Etiano na wo kan say ade we ye koyinye ye fase ya de beboye asoman eno no manfo ni gitum yie dan so beba be gina bontin didi atem ye de wo pen na wo kan. That is the advice he was giving.
I think
so. You see, we all need to
be a yardstick on these issues.
I'm sharing somebody within your party.
I disagree with him.
Yeah, you can disagree,
opinion,
but that is his honest opinion. That is his honest opinion about what has happened.
On your right, what happened?
It's about effective and in the criticism.
Right.
One day, example from the opposition upon Kroma.
Right.
And in the charge, say, serialization with the finance ye withdraw scare free system.
Right.
He made one recommendation. He said, yes, sika system no be break to cause inflation. But sika ye near the ayede.
Okay.
Inti ade na ye invest in venture capital. Our mon say medium to small scale human no you bet media asuso ma say they call direct into productivity. Where this is a positive criticism.
Right.
What can the way and wasem
the onwa rafu can you positive criticism.
The way and waka wasem and what's I there one ma an
alternative
ye say ya anti sa ba ye tia obetimi say oh ene me NIEPM wo ho ya isem de adwuma wura ba yi and the capital ben am de betimi aso me budget for 100 million for the first year. This year the metimi budget say metimi say metimi increase no say na be metimi more youth make me show myself more grant. These are laudable ones, but I want me any better solutions. And me did the attempt. Maybe they don't know. And me did the attempt. As long as I'm run home one day, mean to me metna say MPP as a group, MPP as an institution. MPP best small be and as a minimum constitution there. But minimum baby actually so best small be say kono did the attempt. Kwana kwa kan sama enye. Kwa ye de emfata. Na ere ba ye mo edin da bi na so ye wo individuals bi wo ekuanimu a omo do ma bo omo safohene se se akra da be trend omo mo pe position no is wo be kan sama ye be che no na esa ama na popular we also occupy position now we may come MPP delegates no we dey adesrede am dey to omo nim nyame na me kire omo do omo nya na so such individuals no such characters mo nyi omo free mo party no. This is not what the MPP is known for. Say sama kese ne ayi je say akaka bensam ye bu mpanyifo bu bebu okrom omo say wo ye bema bebre a wo ye ho bema bebre ya kujaw ye mfa adwene nimde emu o man no na nya atemnidie ene kasa twitwie no ene bayi wakote ohia TV o tena so a ensema beka nyina te say wo ye chama no Wonya floor member to say me.
Me akra. Na time odi ni nyina ama no.
Oh no. Odi started from you. Wakasa. Ene we ya na yeye. Ene ye fufu bia. We ya na yeye. But no kasa. Oh. I can 3 minutes. Manen kasa. Ene wonya time ni nyina manen kasa. Do kra de on kasa impo.
Rob, as ye chichiro man ya. This is what me be said that be. No kuma me say. The mami we ran kasa. Me said that be. Se me ma ba akokra na metewa. Me nana no mo fa ye video ya. Omo hwe me ne raf. Me hwe
do kasa.
O na me wie ho na fa to azo. Na omo hwe me ne raf say ye nyina ye free hafo ano. Ye betena se de na ye kan. Ye boa ma Ghana course ana se ye be didi atembe say Ghana. Enye bibia na se wo hye na ayo. E na me di kan no. Enye se wo party card. And as I would share party shirt in Inti, and no, that gives you immunity. Then Nunti, the upper biana bed. No, I said the Enyan, and yet into reset agenda. May say, Senior Rafe, did to near Moana near my and ye a course or Enyan. Ye, and they say, Obi ya dear Nanya, and no be a diatem ya she. Yen fan is all the mobile crown and do one chew beer the time. Police for and chew be says you police channel say President Namayache. Inti nana do one chew beer. Obia can do pay. And a near unite here in him saying me jouse is here now but bit of budi pa bebre or me dear tama maybe crack him for. Ah wow jitum say enye. It is uncle for no say entwaso. Sakasa entwaso. That be oh my ben yes no.
Right.
It is mesre. Yamma yenkomo nyehwam so obi ya de na nya yenyi party ni sinchen se party ni de o enya de MPP beso obi aso nkodi di atam nipa na okoyeye no ni interrogate asem no so odifa emra ni ni ba na MPP ni ene yakofa NDC constitution ye de twe na so a eno ye different eno de nka betimi akasa se ne buy de Ghana mra ye nyina agya atum ni de so okotia Ghana mra no nko ade emra ni
right
emra ni
me da se but that's the dog. Ralph.
Oh, me so disappointed in a young man. Me kromuni.
Are they?
Me so disappointed extremely.